Well, we just found out that the area we're walking through is some sort of army base or something. Well, we just left the Blue Mosque. Unfortunately, it's under construction, as we said, and it's not really much to see inside right now. A little bit of footage of the first hotel we stayed at, the Renaissance here. Sort of in the northern part of Istanbul. It was a really nice hotel, although it was a little bit far from a lot of the tourist corridor. Wish we would have stayed a little bit closer to, I can't think of the name of the square right now, but a little bit further south, a couple of kilometers. It was a bit far, but this is a beautiful hotel and not a bad choice. Staff's been wonderful here. Nice outdoor patio. But now we gotta leave, right babe? Bye, hotel. Well, we just found out that the area we're walking through is some sort of army base or something. Passed a sign saying, you know, no photography, no look-in, military base. So I'm gonna put you guys down before I get yelled at again. Right now. As you can see, the Blue Mosque is undergoing quite a high-level renovation right now, right, babe?
Yes, and it's ugly.
It's sort of ugly right now, yeah. I'm sure it's going to be beautiful when they're done. But as of right now, there's just basically scaffolding everywhere. I don't think that's recorded. Alright, we're inside the Blue Mosque. Unfortunately, right now there is a ton of construction going on. They're remodeling it and preserving it for future generations, I guess. And right now, it's just not what it should be. We just stopped into one of the scarf stores here to pick up a couple souvenirs for friends. So amazing.
Abla dışarıda 30 lira. İçeride biraz pahalı.
Hesaplı olanlar mesela yazma tipleri.
What do you have there?
We have breakfast, baby.
We have breakfast.
Feed this to me in the morning. We got the one pass one way and not the Istanbul card, but that's all right. We're gonna try it again here. like anywhere else, there's always a McDonald's nearby. So if you're afraid to try new food, you can always try McDonald's.
These are the stairs. They're really old stairs made of wood.
As soon as you enter the second courtyard, directly to your right is where you can pick up your audio guides. I'm pretty sure they're included with our museum card, so we're going to check it out and pick up our audio guide. The model of the palace here, you can see how big and sprawling it is. Oh, beautiful model. Looks like from the 14th century. There you go. It's a place to wash up and a pretty nice hole in the ground there.
This one is cute. It's cool. I don't know what it's made of. They say here.
Enameled silver sugar bowl with tray. It does say no photography. All these domes are so impressive. Well, if there was ever a place you wanted to avoid in the ancient world, the circumcision pavilion, and that's enough time, about 30 seconds in the circumcision pavilion, nothing bad happened. So, moving on. All right, Christina was not hungry. Just remember that.
I'm just trying.
We just left the Blue Mosque. Unfortunately, it's under construction, as we said, and it's not really much to see inside right now. So we decided to go see the next thing that we wanted to see the most, which is the Galat Tower. It's about a 45-minute walk from the Blue Mosque, and we're gonna walk it, mostly because taxis and Ubers just get stuck in traffic around here.
Or they take you around.
Or they take you around. And the 45-minute walk, I'm sure we'll find other great things to see and shopping and other historical sites. So if you're in the old Istanbul area, just go for the walk. Be ready to do a lot of walking, I think.
But it's pretty and there's a lot to see. And we're next to the big bus, so we cannot hear anything. Turkish restaurant called the Mosque.
Şehzade başka
Mas-
çağa geldi.
We are walking in the middle of the street. Hi babe, what are you eating? How is your...
Eating a chicken burger tonight, fries and beer. You got your chicken pasta again and a chicken Caesar salad.
Pasta is amazing. It doesn't only look good, but it is good. And I had the wine and sparkling water.